Let's make the perfect Chinese scrambled eggs. You only need 3 ingredients.
This is my all-time favorite. It's so easy, fluffy, and delicious.
In a bowl, crack the eggs into it. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Whisk the eggs until the yolks and whites are fully combined.
Did you know that Chinese people also love scrambled eggs? The most popular ones in my family are scrambled eggs with shrimp and scrambled eggs with tomatoes.
In a pan over medium heat, add the oil. Allowing it to heat up for a moment, pour the whisked eggs into the pan. As the egg starts to cook, gently stir the eggs. Remove them from heat while they are still slightly undercooked. The residual heat will continue to cook them, ensuring fluffy and silky texture. Give it a try and let me know what you think about it. If you like to make the tastiest egg fooyoung, check out the video right here.
This is absolutely amazing. It is so delicious, so easy, and the best part is you only need 3 ingredients. You need some eggs, salt, and oil. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode, and please comment below and let me know what are your favorite ways to cook eggs. I love to hear about it. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!